come here for grief, so that when we see them, we admire also to follow in the footsteps. This is what Father Pat has encouraged you in. And today, I have brought how many sets of balls, Father? What? 3 sets of balls. Kila uwanja kiwe na mpira. Badala ukimaliza unaziacha tuachie hao wadogo. So I'm very happy. I'm very proud, Father, to have the whole diocese, coming together and doing this sort of class. Because this is how, to ignite our spiritual aspect of serving the Lord by doing sports. So don't worry how you do it. You do it anyway and anyhow. God will be blessed. Thank you so much and enjoy your day. Happy feast.